Hello children, today we will learn about something very interesting, that is inclined plane. Big word, right? But don't worry, it is very simple to understand. An inclined plane is just a slanted surface. It is not flat, it is not straight up. It is a little tilted. Look at a slide in the park. When you slide down, whee! That slide is an inclined plane. Have you seen a ramp in a mall or hospital? When we push a wheelchair or trolley on it, that ramp is also an inclined plane. Even stairs are also inclined planes joined together. Now imagine you have a big heavy box. If you lift it straight up, what is going to happen? It is very hard to do it. But if you push it on a ramp, it becomes easier. So, an inclined plane helps us move heavy things easily. Now let us talk about slopes. If the slope is small and not very steep, it is easy to move things. But if the slope is very steep, it is harder to push things up. Now think about a ball. If you roll a ball on a small slope, it moves slowly. But if you roll a ball on a steep slope, it moves very fast. So remember, a small slope, slow movement. A steep slope, fast movement. An inclined plane is a simple machine that helps us do work easily. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks a lot.